just ordered these side marker lights, LEDs, off eBay. They come 2 in a pack. I got 2 packs of them. Going to put them on the bumper and the side of the hood. About to test the light, see how bright it is, and make sure it works, of course. Back connection, and there we go. So I'm flanking, mounting them somewhere in the middle, and I'm gonna tap them into the fog lights. The holes, the middle hole is a little bigger for the wires. Slide the wires through, and then just put the screws in. It's a room, do that. Need to do a wire cleanup, so I just tap them off the fog lights. You see my other videos, you know the fog lights have their own hard wire. And that runs to the one up on the hood. Probably get wire loom, put on that. And yeah, I'll hide the wire a little better. So still more lights I need to add. All the lights is on. You can see how bright they are at night. Not bad. Back. So pretty bright. So the real test would be to see how long they last.